Hello guys, if you're watching this video, it's because you have already practiced passive with reporting verbs, you have self-checked your own answers, and you have asked all your questions about the topic. So now the time has come for applying it in a more realistic way. So project time. Remember that projects with me are work within the class. So this is not homework and it is not something aside the classwork that we will have. On the contrary, this is going to be part of the work that we will be developed in the following classes. Where I based my idea for this project are here, okay? These magazines gave me the idea. So yes, guys, you're going to be gossiping in this project. I know that in the previous video, I said that practically just reporters and journalists use this structure, but you can actually use it in these kind of articles in a magazine. Sort of the same style, okay? So for this one, you need to make teams of 3 or 4 team members. I'll send you the link of slides, of one slide, so you can work together and I can be with you. So next class, you need to log in, open the file, work and collaborate so this project is actually concluded. You need to use the chat in the file, or you can use a conference call using WhatsApp so you can get organized and you can share the ideas that you have for this project and you actually finish it on time. You need to use 2 slides and only 2 slides with all the information that I'm going to be asking for. You need to write 4 to 5 funny and spicy gossip articles, so you need to invent them. Because these 4 to 5 articles are going to be in 2 slides, you need to add some images, design, color. Imagine that that's part of a magazine, so it has to have some personality in it. And each one of the articles needs to include 2 passive voice with reporting verbs obligatorily. So at the end, with the whole project, I need to see 8 to 10 of these sentences. Okay, here is an example of what you need to write, and indeed your article shouldn't be longer than this. If you want to, go ahead and do it, but more or less this is the length, okay, the size of an article. I invented this one about JJ Dog. I don't know, well, it's just I invented it. So you just need to write it, and you need to write your name under the article you wrote and the ones you contributed with. That is to say, I'm asking you to be in teams of 4, and I'm asking around 4 to 5 articles, so each one of you need to write 1 article at least, no? So you're going to be writing your name like this is my article, written by, and so on, okay? But you are going to be the editor of any of these other articles, so you need to check for grammar, spelling, the part of punctuation that is congruent, that it has the passive voice, and the passive voice with reporting verbs are correct, and so that's why you're going to write edited by, okay? Now, you're not limited to just 1 article. You can even write or collaboratively write an article with another person, and you can check as many articles as you want, but the minimum is that. The marking scheme. The 40% is going to go for my main thing here, which is practicing passive voice with reporting sentences correctly used. So if you have that, then you have the 40%. Then you have 20% for grammar, spelling, congruence, and punctuation. That's why the importance of you as a team working together to actually have the best of the works, okay? 20% for the creativity in your articles, how creative you are with these spicy or funny gossips, and 20% for style in the part of decoration. And that's it, guys. Let's start working.